In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close an overlay in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or just need a refresher, closing an overlay, often known as a modal, is a skill worth mastering for seamless design and collaboration. So let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your Figma account. Head over to figma.com and click on the login button. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken to the Figma home screen. This is where you'll see a list of all your current projects and designs. From here, navigate to the home screen, which serves as your gateway to accessing and organizing your work efficiently. Once you're at the home screen, locate and select the design file you wish to edit. This will take you to the design interface where you can see each element you've created. It's within this interface that you'll be working to close an overlay. Now locate the specific element for which you want to create an overlay component and give it a click. This might be a button or any other trigger element in your design. With that element selected, right click on it and choose Create Component from the drop down menu. Creating components in Figma is essential because it allows you to define reusable pieces of your design, making it easier to manage and maintain consistency across your project. After creating the component, it's time to move to the next phase, which is prototyping. Jump over to the prototype tab at the top of your screen. This tab is crucial for setting up interactions in your design. Once there, you'll notice an interaction section. This section lets you link elements together, allowing for dynamic action such as transitioning from one screen to another, or as we're focusing on today, closing the overlay. Within the interaction section, click on Interaction. You're doing this to set a specific response for your component when it gets interacted with, such as clicking. Next up, you'll be choosing the action you want your interaction to perform. So head over to the action menu. It's now time to select Close Overlay from the drop-down list of actions. This will assign the closing action to your component, meaning that when a user clicks on your element, the overlay will disappear, providing a smoother, more intuitive user experience. And there you have it. You've set up your component to close an overlay in Figma. Remember, mastering these steps not only enhances your design's functionality, but also improves your team's workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for additional design tips and tricks. Happy designing!